Good morning, everyone. Actually, we have a plan for how to make proper planning for cracking the prelims as well as mains examination, and especially inputs that will be helpful in interview as well. So we have a plan for covering for the leading 4 subjects in UPPCS and UPSC as well. These 4 subjects are in a chronology, that is one of the largest weightage in UPSC, that is Indian polity, that need to be covered separately. And second topic, we'll talk about Indian economy. Indian economy has been crucial topic for the UPSC, and it has been covering the basic conceptual clarity, and we need to focus those areas which are continuously being asked by Union Public Service Commission and UPPSC as well. So we need to focus very much on these 2 subjects, that is Indian polity, and next one is Indian economy. And as well, third topic we will cover, that is geography. Geography, that is physical, world geography, and that is Indian geography as well. So we will try to find out what are the core areas to which we should focus for cracking UPPSC or UPSC prelims examinations. And one of the largest topic that has been being asked in UPSC or UPPSC in the form of modern Indian history. And in the modern Indian history, we need to focus or put an extra efforts, that is on the Indian national movement that revolve around the ideologies and the teachings of great father of the nation, that is Mahatma Gandhiji. So we'll talk about separately with all these 4 core areas. As we have analyzed the PYQs, previous year questions of UPSC or UPPSC, we have find out that we need to focus those core areas in which we need to very much clarity. Clarity means that is conceptual clarity that will helpful in cracking the examination. It will help in our every stages of the examination, not only the prelims but as well as the mains examination, and that will the inputs that we have developed or the conceptual clarity that we have developed, that will also helpful in the interview examination. That also helpful in our personality development. So we need to focus first in these 2 course 4 subjects in which the 2 need to be very much clear, that is Indian polity and that is Indian economy. So first topic that we will try to indicate you that what are the core areas and what we should try to convey as study into reality, or that study should be changed the question oriented. That means that whatever we are preparing for, that firstly need to understand the syllabus or the core areas, and that will be developed by the previous year questions. So I have a plan for Indian geography, that has the Indian geography in which the main 7 chapters that has been mentioned in NCERT as well. So we need to find out what type of the questions are being asked by UPSC or UPPSC. I have a research and I have followed the pattern of UPPCS of last 10-year questions, that is from 2013 to 2023, and in which I found that more than 95 or the 90% of the questions are being asked directly from these 7 core areas. That chapter that will unfold your proper planning, that how to use this. So slowly and gradually we'll try to find out the what are or how to tackle the questions in the coming examinations by following the trend of UPPSC or UPSC. So we will try to discuss separately topic by topic in the next coming videos, so that will be helpful for your preparation, for your planning and preparing or for cracking the UPSC or UPPSC examinations. So we will try to analyze all the trends, previous year trends, that has been very useful for this examination itself in every stages of the exams. So from next video we will try to take a topic that we will discuss it separately, and topic wise clarity should be focused or on the basis of the previous year questions analysis. So thank you very much.